Hello guys and welcome back to the new video tutorial. Today I'll show you how you can create this perfect Glassmorphism effect, and also you can see this animation in Dankoya style, so I will make the tutorial for it in the next video if you will reach 20 likes. So guys, we are already in the After Effects, and first of all we need to create the rectangle, and I will also increase the roundness for it, and you can notice that I use this button, and it makes invisible, and also I need to add the fastbox blur for this rectangle. But guys, now we can see nothing. I will make the gradient for this composition, and I need to add this object. So now you can see that we already have this Glassmorphism effect. So guys, the next step, we are going to duplicate this shape layer, and also I need to remove the adjustment and remove the fill and just leave the stroke. For example, it will be 3 maybe pixels or maybe more. So guys, you can make your own personal adjustments, it's up to you. Maybe increase a stroke or something like that. Then you can add the text for your glass, and it will looks very good. So this BMW, it's like a background, so you can see this effect. So in your personal animations it will also be so cool, I'm sure. Also guys, don't forget to link your shapes together, so your stroke to your glass, and if you will move it will stick together. Also guys, we can make it a bit better, so I want to add the light sweep effect, and you can just repeat after me. This will also make this perfect animation you could see on the preview on my intro, I mean. So we need to adjust the centers with some keyframes. So as you can see, on my first second to the second, I hope you understood me, it will also be so cool, as you can see now. And guys, don't forget to use F9 for your keyframes to make it easy. Also guys, you can see that I'm adding the deep glow effect, but if you don't have deep glow, you can just use the regular one, it will also be cool. Maybe you will need just to make more adjustments with it. So guys, that's all. Now you will be able to create this effect for your own project. And also guys, if you will have some questions for me about maybe some parts of intro, how I made this grid effect on the background, or some gradients, or some another parts of this video, you will ask me in the comments. And also don't forget about this animation, 20 likes, and I'll show you how you can create it. Don't forget to subscribe, and goodbye.